Hey guys, so I just got this birdhouse into the mail. I haven't sent this product to do a quick video on it, and I haven't compensated, but basically all I get to do, or all I have to do, is basically just give my honest opinion on it. So the first thing that I noticed, I have not even taken everything out yet. It's a cool little latch right here to get towards the inside to get to the camera. So let's go ahead and open this up, have that out like that, to be able to open it. From here, you can go to the inside where all the camera is. So pretty cool little packaging. It does come with screws and anchors if you want to put it up, and then you're good to go and latch that back just like that. I'm gonna set this to the side while we go through the actual camera itself. So you get the camera, it's right here with a little piece of film on it, an extra long USB-C to USB-A cord, a plug-in device to plug it in, and then you have your instructions manual. So I'm gonna see if the camera is actually charged, and then I'll also do a separate video showing you guys how to actually set it up. And let's just go ahead and take it outside and fill it up with birdseed and all that fun stuff. So it's actually a very interesting way to set it up. On the back side right here, you have a hole to feed the cord for the camera in. And if you lift this up, you can see in there, there's like this little black thing and holds your camera in place, as you can see. So you can go ahead and adjust your camera however you like. Let's say I want it to be out and I want it to also be looking down. So we can go ahead and tap it on there. Super easy and super self-explanatory, guys. So you just go ahead, attach it like that. And now you can basically have it to however you want. If you want to see them coming in, if you want to just face it right down towards where they're going to be eating. So that's very interesting. And then you just go ahead and plug it into the back, just like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and take it outside. I got my bird seed right here and fill it up. And let's hope we get some birds.